If you are trying to dive into the world of AI-powered video creation right now, you have definitely noticed a massive number of all-in-one platforms vying for your attention. Names like Nvidia, OpenArt, Freepik, Artlist, and Higsfield are all promising to handle everything you need. But the annoying truth is that they do not actually do the same thing. Each of these products was built for a different kind of creator, which means picking the wrong one will lead you to spend weeks learning a tool that wasn't built for your specific goals. I have been working hands-on with most of these platforms for over a year, testing them daily, breaking workflows, and pushing them to their absolute limits. After running them through actual real-world projects, I can tell you exactly which one matches your workflow, budget, and the specific style of content you want to produce. By the end of this deep dive breakdown, you will know exactly which tools are worth your time, which ones to avoid, and when Vizard makes more sense than the rest. Let us start with Nvidia, which is wild because it is designed specifically for heavy automation and long-form video generation with very little human input required. It bundles high-end text-to-speech engines and top-tier image generators together, offering special agents that can run entire production processes for you. What makes it truly shine is the ability to generate a complete long-form video with minimal prompting, giving you access to the absolute highest quality models available. However, where Nvidia struggles is in its price point and its hyper-specific focus on long-form content. We are talking about triple-digit monthly costs, and since it assumes you are working on massive automated projects, it often feels like total overkill for quick social media clips. OpenArt sits comfortably in the middle, offering a clean dashboard that separates video, image, and audio tools while including features like consistent character creation. I personally love that you can train a digital character from just one photo, which is a massive time saver for anyone building a consistent brand voice. The audio stack is equally impressive, featuring high-quality voices and custom voice training, making it a great pick if you want a one-stop shop to tinker across media types. But OpenArt has trade-offs because it tries to do everything, which can feel overwhelming if you just want to chop up a podcast into viral clips. The learning curve here is certainly not zero, and the end-to-end publishing features are a bit limited compared to dedicated social workflow tools. Freepik took a totally different approach with their Spaces feature, using visual node-based workflows to chain text, images, and video generators together. You can build a system once and reuse it forever, so when you change the input, the whole chain updates automatically. That is absolutely brilliant for high-volume repetitive tasks like generating hundreds of product variants or consistent brand assets in a short time. But Freepik's audio capabilities are a bit thinner, and if you are not into building and maintaining complex systems, the benefits might not be immediately obvious. Artlist is a filmmaker's dream because it was originally a stock music and SFX library that added AI features much later. Their AI voiceover section is particularly nice, as each voice comes with a description and a sample use case, which is so much more helpful than just guessing. Their artboard feature is another win, pulling together music, footage, and templates based on a project brief to get you a mood-ready bundle instantly. However, Artlist is still fundamentally a stock platform with AI tacked on, so it lacks the publishing automation and social scheduling that creators really need. Higsfield makes it incredibly easy for beginners to jump in, offering tons of templates, a lip-sync studio, and even an AI chatbot to help you when you are stuck. It is designed to get decent results fast, making it great for creators who want one-off, high-quality outputs without much fuss or technical overhead. But that accessibility comes at a cost, because deep, repeatable workflows are not Higsfield's main focus. If your actual goal is to scale content distribution and systematically turn long videos into clips across channels, you will definitely want something more purpose-built. This brings us to Vizard, which acts as the specialist for creators who live in long-form content like podcasts, interviews, or live streams. Most platforms try to be generalists, but Vizard was built around one persistent problem: turning long content into a steady stream of shareable posts. First, Vizard uses AI to find the high engagement moments like punchlines and value drops and automatically generates ready-to-post clips for all platforms. No timeline fiddling and no guesswork. You just upload your long video and Vizard surfaces the best moments, all formatted and caption ready. Second, it features an auto-schedule function that understands cadence, meaning it can space out your clips and publish them automatically based on your settings. Third, the content calendar keeps everything in one place, allowing you to preview posts, tweak captions, and hit publish without ever leaving the app. That combination is huge because while other tools generate content, they do not specialize in extracting and syndicating the best moments from one recording. Let me give you a real example of the workflow efficiency, such as when you host a 90-minute live stream interview. With most tools, the process is clunky, involving manual scrubbing, multiple exports, and a separate scheduler, which takes hours. With Vizard, you upload the master file, the AI identifies the viral clips, suggests the captions, and handles the scheduling, turning a full day of work into 20 minutes. Pricing-wise, each platform targets a different market, but Vizard is priced specifically for creators who need to publish at scale without needing a team of editors. Ultimately, the real return on investment here is the hours you reclaim every single week that you can put back into your actual strategy and growth. To recap, Nvidia is best for heavy automation, OpenArt is a great multi-modal playground, and Freepik is for building repeatable asset pipelines. Artlist remains a goldmine for audio assets, and Higsfield is super accessible, but none of these fully nail the clip-to-post workflow like Vizard does. If your goal is to consistently turn long videos into short-form content while managing your distribution in one place, Vizard is the answer. At the end of the day, the best tool is the one that fits how you work, so choose based on your actual daily needs rather than just features. Give Vizard a try if you have long-form content gathering dust and you need to get it out into the world fast with minimal manual editing. Drop your questions below, tell me what kind of content you make, and I will help you pick the right setup for your specific goals. Alright, go make something good and check the description for links to the platforms and some examples of how these workflows run in the wild. I will see you in the next one.